Okay, let's be real. If you've ever Googled how to lose belly fat at 2 a.m. while holding a bag of chips and lying horizontally, you are not alone. We've all been there, y'all. One minute you're living your best life, eating snacks while binge-watching Love Island, and the next, your jeans are gaslighting you and your crop tops are screaming, "Sit this one out." But here's the thing, losing belly fat is not about starving yourself, buying sketchy teas from Instagram, or doing 100 crunches until you pass out. It's about working with your body, not against it. And no, you don't need a gym membership, a 6 a.m. that girl routine, or to give up rice. We're not monsters. I'm talking science-backed, no BS tips that actually work, and yes, you can do them in your pajamas. So if you're ready to debloat, distress, and finally stop fighting with your waistline every time you sit down, keep watching because we're about to break down the real tea on belly fat, minus the toxic diet culture and guilt trips. Let's get into it. Tip number 1, be in a sustainable calorie deficit. Fat loss doesn't start with workouts, it starts with your plate. You have to be in a calorie deficit, meaning you're eating fewer calories than your body burns daily. That's what actually forces your body to dip into its fat stores, including belly fat for energy. But don't starve yourself or go on crash diets, it backfires. Instead, aim to eat about 300 to 500 calories less than your maintenance level daily. Track your food for a few days using an app just to build awareness, then eyeball it. The results will come faster than you think when you're in a consistent deficit. Tip number 2, eat protein at every meal. Foods that are rich in protein are chicken breast, eggs, especially egg whites, Greek yogurt high protein and gut-friendly, cottage cheese, fish like salmon, tuna, sardines, cod, lean beef, pork loin, turkey, milk, and cheese, especially hard cheeses like Parmesan. If you're not into meat or want variety, there are also plant-based protein options like lentils, chickpeas, black beans, kidney beans, tofu, and tempeh, edamame, quinoa, chia seeds and hemp seeds, pumpkin seeds and sunflower seeds, peanuts and peanut butter, almonds and almond butter. These protein-rich foods will keep you full longer, so you naturally eat less without feeling like you're starving. They also take more energy to digest, so you burn more calories just by eating them. This is called the thermic effect. Most importantly, protein protects your muscles while you lose weight, so your body burns fat instead of muscle. Aim for 20 to 30 grams of protein per meal. Tip number 3, stop snacking mindlessly. Snacking can quietly ruin your progress, especially when you're bored, emotional, or distracted. Those small handfuls of chips, cookies, or sweetened drinks add up fast, and they're usually high in sugar and calories with almost no nutrients. If you find yourself snacking constantly, try to pause and ask, am I actually hungry or just bored? Replace mindless snacks with a glass of water, herbal tea, or high-protein options like boiled eggs or Greek yogurt. Sometimes you're just dehydrated, not hungry. Tip number 4, do HIIT training twice a week, high-intensity interval training. HIIT is the ultimate fat-burning workout when you're short on time. It pushes your heart rate up fast, then brings it down in intervals, which not only torches calories during the workout, but also keeps your body burning fat for hours afterward. This is called the afterburn effect. Even 15 to 20 minutes of HIIT twice a week is enough. You can do jumping jacks, mountain climbers, high knees, and squats in quick bursts with short rests in between. You don't need equipment, just intensity and consistency. Tip number 5, cut back on sodium. Sodium causes bloating and water retention, especially around your stomach. This makes your belly look puffier and makes progress feel slow, even if you're losing fat. High-sodium foods like instant noodles, canned soup, and salty chips sneak into your diet more than you think. Start checking labels and opt for fresh or low-sodium alternatives when possible. You'll be shocked how much flatter your stomach looks within days of cutting back. Tip number 6, stop eating 2 to 3 hours before bedtime. Eating late at night gives your body extra calories it doesn't need, especially when you're about to sleep and not move much. Your metabolism slows down at night, so those calories are more likely to be stored as fat. Plus, late-night snacks are often sugary, processed, or comfort foods. Hello, chips and cookies. To avoid that, create a cutoff time, maybe around 8 or 9 p.m., and stick to it. Brush your teeth early, drink some tea, or distract yourself with something relaxing to break the habit. Tip number 7, start the day with a protein-rich breakfast. Skipping breakfast or starting with something sugary, like cereal or bread, spikes your blood sugar and sets you up for cravings all day. A breakfast high in protein keeps you full, stabilizes your blood sugar, and helps you eat less later without trying. If you're in a rush, make it simple: a boiled egg and banana, oats with protein powder, or Greek yogurt with chia seeds. It fuels your body right and supports your belly fat loss goals from the moment you wake up. Tip number 8, cut all liquid calories. Liquid calories are sneaky because they don't fill you up, but they add hundreds of extra calories to your day. Juice, soda, sweetened lattes, oat milk drinks, all of these spike your blood sugar and contribute to belly fat, especially when consumed daily. Swap them out for water, unsweetened tea, or black coffee. And if you're addicted to sugary drinks, try gradually cutting back or diluting them with water until your taste adjusts. You'll be shocked how fast you start seeing results. Tip number 9, train your glutes, legs, and back. Here's a cheat code: train your biggest muscle groups to speed up fat loss. Your glutes, legs, and back are large muscles, and when you strengthen them, your metabolism increases overall. That means you burn more calories even when you're resting. At home, do bodyweight squats, glute bridges, and lunges regularly. Strong glutes don't just shape your body beautifully, they turn you into a fat-burning machine, including around your stomach. Tip number 10, do a daily 10-minute core routine. You can't spot reduce belly fat, but you can tighten and strengthen the muscles underneath. A short 10-minute of circuit at the end of your workouts helps pull your stomach in and improve your posture, which also makes your stomach look flatter. Try doing planks, reverse crunches, leg raises, and flutter kicks consistently. Over time, this makes your core stronger, tighter, and more defined once the belly fat comes off. Tip number 11, walk after meals. A 10 to 20-minute walk after eating can do wonders for digestion and help prevent fat storage around your belly. It keeps your blood sugar more stable and reduces that sleepy crash after meals. This tiny habit also lowers bloating and helps you feel lighter throughout the day. You don't need to power walk, just move your body consistently. If you hate working out, this is your easiest fat loss shortcut. Tip number 12, lower your stress levels. Stress makes your body release cortisol, a hormone that encourages fat storage, especially in your stomach. Even if you're eating well and working out, chronic stress can slow or stall your progress. Things like journaling, yoga, deep breathing, or taking breaks from social media can make a real difference. A calm mind signals your body it's safe to let go of excess fat. Don't underestimate how much your mindset affects your waistline. Tip number 13, don't eat while scrolling. When you eat while watching Netflix or scrolling TikTok, you disconnect from your body's hunger and fullness cues. This leads to overeating because your brain isn't registering what or how much you're eating. You finish your food and still feel unsatisfied, so you go back for more. Even just eating one meal a day without distractions can make you feel more in control. Being mindful with food helps you eat less and feel fuller without counting calories. Tip number 14, ditch healthy junk food marketing. Just because something says organic, vegan, or low-fat doesn't mean it's actually good for fat loss. A lot of healthy snacks are loaded with sugar, seed oils, and empty calories. Protein bars, oat milk drinks, and granola can be just as bad as candy when you look at the label. Always read the ingredients list, not just the big, bold words on the front. Real whole foods will always be better than processed food with a fancy label. Tip number 15, eat slower and chew more. It takes your brain about 20 minutes to realize you're full, so if you eat fast, you'll probably overeat. Slowing down gives your body time to register fullness, which leads to eating less without forcing it. Chewing more also helps digestion and reduces bloating, especially if you struggle with a puffy stomach. Try putting your fork down between bites or using a timer to pace yourself. It's a simple habit that makes a massive difference over time. Tip number 16, prioritize 7 to 8 hours of sleep every night. Lack of sleep messes with your hunger hormones, making you crave sugar and carbs the next day. It also slows down your metabolism and increases cortisol, which stores more fat in your belly. Even if you eat right and exercise, poor sleep can undo your hard work. Try going to bed at the same time every night and limit screens an hour before bed. If you're serious about fat loss, sleep is not optional, it's part of the plan. Tip number 17, declutter your food environment. If junk food is in your house, you're going to eat it, especially when you're tired, bored, or emotional. Set yourself up for success by clearing out trigger foods and stocking up on easy, healthy options. Out of sight equals out of mind, and it really works. You don't have to be perfect, but make your environment support your goals, not sabotage them. Your willpower is strongest when it's not constantly being tested. Tip number 18, be patient, but ruthlessly consistent. Losing belly fat doesn't happen overnight, especially if it's been there for a while. You don't need to be perfect, but you do need to be consistent for weeks, not just days. Expect plateaus, water weight fluctuations, and moments of doubt. It's all part of the process. Instead of giving up, double down on the basics: sleep, water, protein, movement, and mindset. The people who get real results aren't lucky, they're just the ones who didn't quit. Tip number 19, stop body checking obsessively. Constantly lifting your shirt to check your stomach or analyzing your reflection every hour is mentally draining and does nothing for fat loss. Progress doesn't happen in a day, and hyperfixating on it just feeds your anxiety and discourages you. You won't see real change if you're only focused on visuals. Track how you feel, how your clothes fit, and how strong you're getting. Take progress photos weekly, not daily. Your body needs time and patience, not pressure. Tip number 20, limit takeout to once a week or less. Restaurant food, even when it looks healthy, is often cooked in oil, butter, and hidden sugar. That one salad or grilled chicken meal might still pack in 800 to 1,000 calories. If you're constantly ordering out, you're giving up control of your nutrition. Try prepping just 2 to 3 meals a week at home to cut back on excess calories and save money too. The more food you prepare yourself, the more control you have over your results. Bonus tip, try cold showers, optional but interesting. Cold exposure may activate brown fat, a type of fat that burns more calories. While it won't melt belly fat overnight, cold showers can slightly boost your metabolism, reduce stress, and even suppress appetite. Plus, they build mental toughness, which helps you stay disciplined in other areas like diet and workouts. Not essential, but worth trying if you want to challenge yourself.